Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I wanted to show you up close how to do the jute fiber fire roll. We'll be using these ashes straight out of the hobo stove and pine needles for a tinder bundle. Pull out about 12 inches. And go to the center of that and unwind the 3 cords that are in there. Then go to the center of one of those cords and go ahead and take apart the fibers. Now you have to twist in the opposite direction that you did when you were taking the 3 cords apart to get the fibers to sort of unwind and sort of release. And then go ahead and pull them apart some more, process them. Like that. And then roll them into a tube and flatten them out. And here's our ashes. We'll put a 1/4 teaspoon inside the fire roll and some more ashes on the outside. Any wood ashes will work for this. And then roll it up as tight as you can get it. And like I say, we'll put some ashes on the bottom board. That'll help the top and bottom board be able to grip the fire roll. And we'll tighten it a little bit with some forward strokes. And then do about 20 or 30 passes with it. If you don't see smoke, go back and roll it some more. I've got some little particles of pine needles that I want to get rid of, so we'll throw that in on top of this. Those pieces of pine needles are sort of half full of sand. It'll burn though. Oh, and I got something else I need to throw away too. It's bad enough that somebody would litter at all, or even litter in just one place. But I'm a mile away from the car, and this stuff is strewn the whole way. And it looks like this is where a dog got a hold of that pool noodle.